Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple used LED light bulb, often overlooked and thrown away, into a powerful versatile tool. I'm starting with 2 standard LED bulbs. I'm testing them in a simple base with a switch. I'm screwing the first light bulb into its holder and flipping the switch. Notice how it lights up perfectly when connected, serving its basic purpose. But what if it's old or not performing well, or we just want to repurpose it? The second light bulb isn't working even though I'm repeatedly turning it on and off. I'll retrieve an old bulb from the trash to demonstrate its potential for transformation. My goal is to transform this seemingly useless item into something truly remarkable. Now, let's get started. I'll carefully unscrew the translucent dome from the base. This reveals the internal LED circuit board. Using a pair of pliers, I will remove all the small electronic components from the LED circuit board, since we are only interested in the structure of the circuit board and the LED housing. Next, I'm using a drill and a conical drill bit to carefully enlarge the center hole on the LED board. This is crucial to allow a metal rod to pass through smoothly and securely. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, turning my attention to the bulb screw base, I'll use wire cutters to snip off the small, central contact point. I will use a drill to enlarge the bottom of the LED light housing, creating a hollow groove. With the base prepared, I'm taking a BNC connector and securing it to the hole on the modified LED board. This will be our main connection point. I have a standard coaxial cable here. I'm carefully stripping back the outer white insulation to expose the braided shield and the inner white insulation. I'm stripping the white insulation to reveal the solid copper core. I'm attaching an F connector to the prepared cable. At the other end of the cable, I will strip the outer insulation to expose the copper core inside. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm threading the cable inside the bulb housing and tightening the F connector onto the bulb base. I'm attaching the BNC connector to the copper core from the F connector and securing it firmly. I'll use a screwdriver to coil the copper wire core into a sturdy spring. I'm using pliers to fine-tune the spring. And that's it, the core of our homemade antenna. Now for the reflective element. I'm taking a simple can of Coca-Cola, pouring out its contents, and cleaning it thoroughly. This empty can will be repurposed into the antenna's reflector. Using a drill, I'll carefully make a hole in the center of the can's bottom. I'm using a utility knife to cut off the top of the can. I'm using scissors to adjust the bottom of the can to make it neater. Then, using a pair of sharp scissors, I'll cut the sides of the can into even strips. This is where the magic begins. I'm fanning out these strips and bending them, creating a radiating flower-like pattern. This shape is designed to act as a parabolic reflector, enhancing the antenna's signal reception. I'm now attaching our LED bulb assembly to the center of the aluminum can's flower. This combination is going to form our complete antenna. I put the plastic diffuser cap back on the light bulb. Next, I'll take a piece of blue insulated wire, stripping the insulation to expose the copper strands inside. I split the copper wire in half and twist it tightly. I'm carefully attaching one end to the base of the light bulb, twisting it to create a secure contact. The other end of this stripped wire is then connected to the F connector on the LED circuit board. To keep our antenna stable, I'm securing the entire light bulb to this small bracket with hot glue. This unique design is actually quite effective for picking up terrestrial TV signals. Next, I'm preparing a coaxial cable. I'll strip back the outer insulation, revealing the braided shield and the inner conductor. This is a standard process for creating a clean connection. I'm twisting the braided shield and then attaching an F connector to the end of the coaxial cable. I'm attaching this F connector to my modified bulb antenna. I'll repeat the process for the other end of the coaxial cable, stripping the insulation and attaching a second F connector. I'm attaching an L-shaped coaxial connector to this end of the cable. The L shape is practical for tight spaces behind the TV. You can see my TV currently showing no signal, a common frustration. I'm taking my newly crafted DIY antenna, connecting it to the antenna input on the back of the TV, and there it is. Channels are now coming in clearly, showcasing the incredible effectiveness of our homemade antenna. From a simple LED bulb and a soda can, we've created a fully functional, high-performance TV antenna that works perfectly. This truly proves that with a little creativity and some repurposing, you can achieve amazing things. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. It's consistently working across various channels. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected items you'd like to see me transform next. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas and hacks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.